Hello children, welcome to our today's class. I hope you all are watching videos and doing your assignments regularly. Yes, so in the last class we have finished our chapter 6 refraction of light. Today we are going to see the numericals of these chapters. Okay students, from these chapters very few numericals will come and it is very easy. Okay, what you have to remember, you have to remember the symbol of refractive index. Sometimes it is also called as absolute refractive index. Okay, and how it is denoted, it is denoted as small letter n. Okay, so let's start with our numericals now. If you have textbook, please take out page number 79. There you have given question number 4 where you have told to solve the numericals. Okay, solve the examples. So here I am taking first example, that is, now what is the question? I am reading the question. Students, please be careful. Okay, be attentive towards it. If the speed of light in a medium is 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, what is the absolute refractive index of the medium? Okay, तो यहाँ पे what is given, speed of light in a medium. If you can see this diagram here, can you see this diagram? Yes, here what is given, medium 1 and medium 2. When a ray of light is incident on one medium, it gets refracted while passing through the second medium. Okay, this we have already learned. Students, here you have to remember one other thing, that is speed of light in air. Okay, you can say velocity of light in air is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Sometimes ये आपके क्वेश्चन में ही दिया होगा, अगर नहीं दिया होगा तो आपको खुद से लिखना है. ठीक है, सो मीडियम 1 एयर वैक्यूम. लेट्स टेक मीडियम 1 एज एयर and medium 2 as a glass or something related to water. Okay, so V1 as we have taken this. Okay, V1 और V2 की वैल्यू हमें ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन में दिया है. Yes, so V1 is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Okay, and V2 is how much, 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. What we have to find out? We have to find out absolute refractive index of the medium. So absolute refractive index is denoted as small letter n. Okay, and we have to find out absolute refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1. Okay, so let's come back to the solution. Absolute refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1 is equal to what we are going to take, V1 upon V2. V1 मतलब क्या, velocity of light in medium 1 divided by V2 is velocity of light in medium 2. Okay, so this is very simple question. We are going to simply put up the values. V1 is 3 into 10 raised to 8. Okay, and V2 is 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Meter per second will get cancelled. Okay, so what answer we will get over here, 1.5 ones are, and here 1.5 2s are 3. So we are getting the answer, that is 2. So absolute refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1 is equal to what, 2. Okay, a very simple question which is unsolved from your textbook. Okay, so you have to write down this in your notebook students and be practice, उसका practice भी आपको करना है. Okay, so from this chapter if the numericals will ask, then it will ask like this only. ठीक है. Okay, now let's take another example. If the absolute refractive indices of glass and water are 3/2 and 4/3 respectively. Okay, so absolute refractive index of glass is how much, 3/2, and water is how much, 4/3. So what is the refractive index of glass with respect to water? Okay, so what we have to find out, refractive index of glass, with respect to water. Now what solution over here we will get? Simply what we have to write down, refractive index of glass with respect to water, that is n glass divided by n water, and here we are simply going to put up this value. Okay, so refractive index of glass is how much? 3/2 divided by water कितना है? 4/3. Students, here we are going to apply one formula, that is, this is the equation which is given like this. Now what we are going to do, we are going to exchange the terms. First of all, A upon B is there. So what is the thing over here? C upon D is there in numerator. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to multiply it and we have to exchange the terms. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल यहाँ पे C अपॉन D है, तो हमें D को ऊपर लेने का है. कहाँ पर? Here you can see D upon C. That means we have to exchange this term. Numerator will goes into denominator and denominator will goes into numerator. So in advance what we will get? A D upon B C. I think you have learned this quadratic equation in your math subject. Yes. So simply we are going to apply this over here. So 3/2, and what we have to do, we have to exchange this term with multiplication into here 3 जो है वो यहाँ पर आएगा and 4 will go into downward. ठीक है, so 3/4. Now if we multiply this, 3 into 3 9 and 4 2s are 8. Okay, so the refractive index of glass with respect to water is how much? 9/8. Okay, this is also your unsolved question which I have taken from your textbook. Okay, note down this. Then this is a solved question which I have given, I have taken just for your information. Here just read the question. Light travels with a velocity 1.5 into 10⁸ meter per second in a medium. So we are going to take V1, that is 1.5 into 10⁸ meter per second. On entering the second medium, its velocity became 0.75 into 10⁸ meter per second. So V2 we are going to take as 0.75 into 10⁸ meter per second. So what is the refractive index of second medium with respect to the first medium? Very simple. What you have to do, you just have to simply put up the values. Okay, 10⁸, 10⁸ cancel हो जाएगा and here 1s are 2s are. So what answer we will get over here? That is 2. So the refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium is equal to how much? 2. Okay, a very simple. ठीक है, ऐसे ही क्वेश्चंस आएंगे. You just have to put up the values and you have to divide it. Okay, so I have given one homework question to you, that is, the absolute refractive index of water is 1.36. What is the velocity of light in water? Okay, so velocity of light in vacuum is given, that is 3 into 10⁸ meter per second. It is already given in the question. Now what you have to do, you just have to divide the things and find out. Okay, यहाँ पर क्या दिया है? एब्सोल्यूट रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स दिया है ऑलरेडी एंड वेलोसिटी ऑफ लाइट इन वाटर फाइंड आउट करने को बोला है. ओके, so I hope you will able to do it. Yes, go through the video and note down this numericals in your notebook. Okay, thank you.